Hello everybody, my name is Pizza Caleb, and today I will teach you how to make a burrito in 6 simple steps. So come on, let's go, let's make a burrito, yo. Step 1, get meat. Alright, now we gotta get meat for the burrito, of course. We're making a meat burrito, meat bean cheese burrito to be exact. But how are you gonna make that without meat? Now, the obvious option is going to the supermarket to get meat, but I mean, I don't really have a supermarket around me. I mean, look at this. Look at this place. Does it look like I got a supermarket around me? Look at those kids over there. Look at those kids over there. You think I got a supermarket near me? No, you idiots. I do not. So I got the next best option. Harvest it fresh from the crop. What I basically mean by that is beating the crap out of this cow. Huh? You talking about me? Nah. You trying to take my meat? You trying to take my meat? This is my meat. Fool. Wanna go after it? My meat, fool. My meat only. Lose. Round 3. Step 2, get beans. Now we must get the beans, alright? We have to get the beans. We need delicious beans. Now, as I said, you could get it from the supermarket, but I don't got a supermarket near me, so we can do the next best option. We can't grow them. It's not really a good place to grow them. Excuse me for one sec. Where's the restroom? Hey, just excuse me for 1 second. Step 3, get cheese. Having a little heart to heart?
I have analyzed his words and actions. I am unable to ascertain his motivation.
Ah, fancy meeting you here.
You knew I'd come.
I suppose I should thank you for not milking everyone at the cheese site.
Well, not if you say it like that.
For a hired milker, you're not very good at your job.
The war is a big payoff.
Right. Big raises all around once World Marshal gets those contracts.
I'm not talking about money, Jack. I'm talking ideals.
Excuse me?
Forget it. We've both heard enough speeches about delicious causes by now. History will decide who's right. End of story. I don't care who thinks I'm right.
I've got cause enough for killing you.
What? Oh. That's good. Why, that's very good. Yes, I like that.
Must you really fight?
Don't interfere. This is between us. And it ends here. Okay. Let's dance.
Get ready!
Show me a good time, pizza. Now this is a fight.
Get ready! Say goodnight!
I'm just getting started. Party time's over. Cheese.
He is dead.
Yeah, he is. Alright, just... I lost the keys. Sure, we're gonna get back to the school. Ah, shoot. Well, at least we have the cheese now. Alright, now that we've got our burrito, we can move on to step 5. Cook the burrito. I have burrito in hand. I don't think any of you have mastered this technique yet. It's called the hacha. Basically cook anything with one simple word. Hacha! See, it's perfectly cooked now. Now that's how you make a burrito. Now we can move on to step 6. Enjoy the burrito. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a burrito. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.